Oh my God! What is happening here? Oh my goodness! The clown is taking the poor bunny! Bunny? Bunny? Where did you go? Not again! Oh no! The bus! And he has the bunny!
Trapped! You are all mine, little bunny.
That's it! I grabbed the little bunny, and that cat can't catch me!
Oh no! They're getting away with the bunny! We have to catch them! Come on, open up! I need to do this! Now I gotcha! Stop the bus! Give the bunny back!
No way!
Bye-bye, kitty! Now you are finished, kitty!
No, 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 no!
Come back here, kitty!
Stop it, please! I know what to do!
Hey!
Not fair.
I think this key will free the bunny! I think the poor bunny is here! We have to save him! Quick! We have to get out of here before he comes back! You're saved! Now let's go home! This is my home, friend! I was so worried! You were lost, my baby! This is my friend who saved me! Thank you for saving my baby!
No worries, ma'am. This is my job.
Oh, no! Get away from me!
Brew! Ain't no way! The goat is packing the kid like trash! Like trash! My son!
Eat this, friend.
Come on, everyone! We need to help the little kitten!
Don't worry, little one. This will fix everything.
Oh, my sweet little one.